Yes, now that we've learned about the Mac group and Mac component, let's continue with our cabinet drawing from where we left off. When selecting these objects, how do we make our selection, friends? We can do it like this, or like this, or we can just press Ctrl A to select all of them. Pressing Ctrl A means selecting everything. When I hit the delete key on the keyboard, they all got deleted. Now, I had some objects on my screen. Where are they? I said edit and hide, and my objects came back. Now I need to draw with the group and component. I had scaled these. Look, friends, now, if I want to see it from above, I'll zoom in with orbit like this. So I'm pulling it up. I've come right from above, friends. Look now, I'm going to make a rough drawing here. Look, I've taken the rectangle tool, friends. I'm drawing on it. Look, I came from here. I'm drawing from here. Look, I've come down. At the same time, I'm panning this with the scroll. Friends, I've come. I came like this, friends. Excuse me. Sorry, I dropped the file. It went away because I dropped it. Look, I've taken my rectangle tool. Let me zoom in from here again. I came from here, friends. And look over here. Let me zoom in here. I drew a part of it here. Look. I drew a part of it here. Now I'm selecting all of it, and I said component, because the exact same thing is here. Let's copy it with Control, friends. And I dropped it here. Look what happened. I ended up drawing a piece. That's done. A piece. Okay. All the remaining pieces are the same. Look. I grabbed it from here, friends, and I placed it here. Look, there's an overflow here. I brought it like this, friends. I drew a piece here now. I'm double-clicking. I said map component. I said create, and I pressed it with move, friends. I duplicated one downwards. I duplicated it downwards. Look, I'm duplicating as I go along. I'm doing a one-to-one systematic drawing. Friends, I'm drawing without any hesitation. I came here. Later, I will close the image and remove the remaining parts. I'm not drawing on the top layer from the bottom layer. They're already simple. I'll show them to you later, friends. Look, I will show you the main concept here. I said hide to the image over there and left it. Did you see? Look, mine, the sides and the middle parts of my bookshelf model are done. Look, I went inside one of the components. Since this and that are the same component, when I remove this one, that one will also be removed. Look, friends, did you see I removed it? Let's say it's 40 centimeters. I made it 40 centimeters. Look, I did this. I removed the other one in 5 minutes. I managed to do the job without removing it. Look, I went in here, brought it from there, and left it here. Look, when I bring it and leave it here, I mean when I drop the tool here, it gets created. What happened? Look, my bookshelf has automatically been created, friends. There's a nice feature here that allows me to flip it over. Look, now I've selected all of them. And now I can group this from now on. So I can group this. I selected all of them. I'm right-clicking. I created a Mac group. Look, guys, did you see that? Mac group. Now, when I get this command and hover over any group object, look, there are these handles. Do you see it? Rotate the handle. Look, I want to rotate this. I came here. Hop. I rotated it. I took the point from the bottom and moved it to its original point. As you can see, my bookcase is created exactly to scale. We can draw a book here with rectangle, but there is no need. There are many ready-made books. I'll show you where to download them. Our goal here is to improve both our library model and our modeling technique, guys. As you can see, you've created the library model very quickly like this. There's a situation we can reach, friends. I want to give some details here. If you see, I don't want it to end here, but I can gently push this back with the push-pull tool. Look, I entered it with push-pull. Let it stay here lightly. If you want to add a little detail here, you can leave it here, or you can come here and leave a little detail like this. Fine details make the model look nicer. Detail equals quality model, friends. It's in 3D because that's how it is. Look, the moment I give the detail, that detail, I'm adding depth to that model, and it results in a quality model, friends.